Today we're diving into one of the hottest products on the market, K18. But the two big questions are, is it really worth the hype? And more importantly, is it really worth the price? So what exactly is K18? This little bottle promises to transform your hair like never before. Sounds like magic, right? But does it really live up to these grand promises, and is it really worth the $78 price tag? The instructions are simple. You just shampoo your hair, skip the conditioner, towel dry it, apply a small amount of K18, wait 4 minutes, and no need to rinse it out. As a stylist, I had my doubts. How can something so quick and easy provide such dramatic results? Here's the science behind K18 in simpler terms. It uses a unique protein that mimics how your hair naturally repairs itself. This protein works to fix the broken parts of your hair that are crucial for keeping it strong and healthy. When these parts are damaged, your hair becomes weak and prone to breakage. K18 helps to reconnect them, bringing back your hair's natural strength and flexibility. Now, is K18 worth the hype? My stylist and I have tested K18 out on many different damage levels and many different hair types over the years, and the results are always shinier, healthier hair. If you're looking for a product that delivers real results in a short amount of time, K18 definitely lives up to the hype. The science behind it is solid and the results speak for themselves. Now, is it really worth the price? We offer K18 in our salon as an add-on treatment where one application costs $30. Making the $78 bottle for multiple uses actually a really great investment. Plus, the time and effort it saves makes it even more valuable. And our clients really love the added protection it gives, especially after a highlighting service. So after years of testing and hearing clients' feedback, I can confidently say K18 delivers on its promises. If you're dealing with damaged hair and want a quick, effective solution, K18 might just be your new best friend. Now, before you go, I've put together some pro tips to help you get the most out of each treatment. For best results, you're gonna wanna make sure you use a clarifying shampoo. Any clarifying shampoo will do. Definitely make sure you skip the conditioner. Conditioner can block the K18 peptide from penetrating effectively. It will still work, but not as good. Depending on your hair type, I would start with 2 pumps. Obviously, if you have more hair and more density, you can add a little bit more. If your hair feels greasy or oily afterwards, you definitely applied too much. When you first get your K18 bottle, make sure you use it 4 to 6 times in a row, and then every other time as needed. Make sure you apply it to towel-dried hair. It's really important to get all the extra moisture out of your hair. You're gonna wanna wait 4 minutes before applying any other products. This gives the K18 peptide time to deliver maximum repair. And those are my pro tips for getting the most out of using K18. Thank you so much for watching. If you have tried K18, let us know what your results were in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more beauty tips and reviews like this, and I'll see you in the next one.